home, North Little Rock. Today, I have a new house going to the market. It's 4 bedrooms with 2 big living areas. Come check it out. This is my favorite part of the home. A large back den was added. It's a great casual place for hanging out with friends and family for movies. Or move the party outside to the big back deck and flat backyard. It's perfect for letting the kids and dogs play all afternoon. Upstairs, you'll find a huge primary suite with an incredible closet. And check this out, a bonus room that's perfect for your home office or plenty of storage space.